This is how to teach you how to work with MLM Gateway. MLM Gateway is a perfect a perfect um, site that is for all multi-level marketers. All multi-level marketers. You can look for prospects here and sign them up as quickly as possible so that they can take your first business to the next level. You can take your first business to the next level. So I'll just spend 5 minutes showing you around the back office of MLM Gateway. This is a professional site where you have only members of different multi-level marketing companies, online marketers, and very targeted audience of people that are so responsive and very responsible for looking for um, prospect and people to do business with. You can share your network with people here and as so on and so forth. But one of the interesting thing about this wonderful opportunity is that it has a beautiful system like this search button. If you search, you can get people from your locality. Like if you're in River State, Port Harcourt, on Lagos State, you will see, and you see different posts. Like this is in Glorica. Sign up with MLM Go to 33 minutes ago. You can now follow up with the person and then do business with them. If you look at it, you will see different persons that just signed up 1 hour ago. On my right hand side, you will see the dashboard. Let me click on the dashboard so that I can share with you some very vital information on the dashboard. You have your lead, you have your members list, you have your message, you have business announcement, you have advertising, you have connect with 3 persons so far, and then your referral link. Below this video, you will see my referral link so that you can come up on board. Ask me any very vital question that you would want to ask me. I will be there to answer you through my YouTube channel. So this is the back office. I have 2 credit more. What are the credit for? If you look on the top right hand, you see our professionals. This is the professional of the day, and then our member of the day from Zimbabwe, and the professional of the day is from Germany. You can upgrade your package to premium, which is a paid package. If you are doing online business, you need to be paying um, for things that you want to enjoy. Commission made is 33% for US members. So if you look at this, you will see the first person, Chukwu Kwe Enwabonye, Enugu State, River State, is a network market. Enugu State as a River State is a network marketer. Rita, Lagos State, Nigeria, a network marketer. Collins, Anambra, a network marketer. Nutrition and home-based business. Elvis Sunday, I know him, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Blessing Godwill, River State, Nigeria. These persons are my team members that are on board there doing their business. So you can connect with them. You can connect with somebody. You can just come here and say, let me just say I want to connect with this person from Anambra State, and I'm having an event in Anambra. You can connect with this person and then discuss with him out for him to get to that event um, ground. A lot of this person from Asaba Delta State, Abia State, Nigeria, online business. This person, River State, Nigeria. I sell straight wares. I can now connect this person for a seminar coming up in Brooklyn's hotel. Brooklyn White House, where we're having seminar on the 6th of Saturday, 6th of August. Oyo State, Lagos State. These are all professionals. These are all Phillips Okeke, Lagos State, Nigeria, online business person. Now, if you look at this person, Lillian, Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria, cryptocurrency, meaning that an online business affiliate marketer, Amazon, KDP, contact me for knowing more about, and then cryptocurrency, right? So this is a very unique platform where you can do your business. Below this video, you will see my link. Please do sign up and let's rock this business. On my next video, I will show you another tool called makeup.